Yo, what's up everyone, Project Moto here. We've got a few track days coming up this year, so we're going to have a new track bike, we're going to get it ready, so let's see what we're going to be using. Right, so it's not the SP, which is for me one of the coolest looking bikes now. It's not the 959 course. It's not the 1299 Super Leggera. We're taking a standard Panigale V4, but we are going to put a load of bits on this. So we get this out, got to put some miles on it, get all the parts together, and let's get this ready for the track.
It is a shame we're not getting this one out and going.
Yeah.
I'm not going to lie.
Right,
I'll settle for this standard V4 Panigale.
You like the standard one though, don't you?
I do. It's my go-to bike.
Yeah. It's more analogue for you with the suspension. So what we got?
What we're going to do, we're going to put like cock socks on these. I don't want to spend too much money in case it does fall over. Like if you put like the Rizoma.
Yeah, so we put the little, you put your little willy warmer on them.
Yeah, cock socks.
Yeah. Alright, so we've got different fairings going on it.
We've got mirror blanks. We put our little camera mount thing under there. You've got brake lever guard going on there. Rear sets.
Yeah. The mirror blanks and the bling bling bodywork.
Bling bling bodywork. Maybe we'll put some Go Faster stickers on it.
Yeah, Project Moto stickers.
Put a different tank filler cap on it because it'd be black to match with the fairings and whatnot.
Don't tell them it's black.
Oh, not black. A mysterious colour that nobody knows. Double bubble screen so we can go faster for the big 190 plus.
Sweet.
Maybe we'll change that. Comfort seat, if we've got one.
Comfort seat?
Comfort seat. You want to be comfortable while you're flying. Like the black sprockets. If we was to have a black bike, of course.
Yeah,
that
obviously.
Might or might not.
So a brand new bike, straight on the track. Well, no, let's get some miles on it first.
Let's go and PDI it first.
Nice.
Yeah.
Let's do this. This is it. The track bike. Going to hit the road first. So this is the last time we're going to see it in standard form. Matt's going to take it out, I'll take it out, get some miles on it. How was it?
I feel like Johnny Cash, been everywhere, man.
Has to be childish, doesn't he? And still a bit skid.
Darren really would have done an endo then, wouldn't you? You'd have done a stop beat.
Pussy. My nan would get over further than that.
Look at him. Look at the wheelie king.
All joking aside, there was a geezer I was following down towards Burnham. He was in a Skoda Yeti.
Really?
And he was fucking like, there was a wheel coming off the floor. I got it on film. And in the end, I went past him. I pulled over because petrol light come on after 3 miles, of course.
You're lucky to get free to
so I turned round and he's pulled in behind me. I was like, oh fuck, please don't say it's the old Bill. And he's like, oh mate, that is so good. I've never seen a Skoda Yeti go so fast.
Hold on, yeah. It'd be nice and warm for me, won't it?
Yeah.
Like, as in, the engine's nice and warm, I've only got jeans on.
The inside of my legs are warm, yeah.
The inside of your legs are warm, aren't they?
Constantly.
Wet, anyway. What are you going to do with this? Black or chrome then?
Black.
Because you've got your chrome side bits flashes, ain't you?
A fucking massive bell end.
Why change the habit?
What I will say about the Panigale is it is hot, and I don't mean it's hot to look at, you know. I mean it's like hot. I'm only in jeans, but if I look down now I would think there is flames licking my legs. They feel so good. Oh, the old Bill out and about. Impulse. It's wet.
I'm going to order some food.
Oh yeah? What are you going to order?
No.
Back on food again.
Hamburger and chips.
You could have dried this off for us before we done this.
He bought his own dish as well, look. It was in the shed.
That's an old oil dish.
It's got oil in it. Yeah, it smells a bit oily.
Look, he's cooked himself some pies.
So, do you remember where all of these bits go? If I was to forget where some stuff went.
Well, don't worry. When you finish the bike, there's always nuts and bolts left, as we know.
How's your pie?
Very nice.
Look at the steam coming on. He just eat that, no problem.
He's eating that from the inside out. Yeah, look, I'll tell you what to use. Look, take that. That'll take it.
Yeah. Got my wrist beating up an old geezer this morning.
Yeah.
How was the fight this morning? What did you do? Pads?
Had work bags. I've tried to hit Paul in the guts.
Did you get him?
Once or twice, and then he just showed me that he could punch me in the face if he wanted to.
Look here, he's fully raced already.
Definitely faster. It's another 5 horsepower already.
I think he loses kilos rather than carrying horsepower.
No, that's both.
You do know you own a third of this bike, don't you?
Yeah, you do realise if I crash it, it's your third that's getting crashed.
I said on this bike, you own the front wheel, the forks, the handlebars, the foot pegs, and the bodywork. Tank off.
He says he'll do one thing quick on the day, the quick release tank.
That's it.
Fully race.
VSX, what ones are they?
Geomotos.
Geomotos. That's the rear sets on.
Half a 14.
But then they look nice. Standard one. Geomoto.
Might be somewhere safe.
Hold on, look at this. Look at this. I've got the bacon and cheese.
You hungry yet? We are.
I'll have something small.
Yeah, absolutely perfect for that.
People are working.
Been a lot hanging around for you lot, hasn't there?
Oh look.
Oh, you wouldn't get anywhere near it. Done it? Yeah, no, that's nice, yeah. Isn't it?
Tell me more about Rico. Rico Tubbs.
Rico Tubbs.
Well, that mine advice.
Yeah, he knows his name's Rico. Rico
How
Tubbs.
do you know that?
Well,
You should
only
follow
because,
that,
I only recognise the surname Tubbs.
Yeah, alright.
Tubbs
Yeah,
and Crockett, wasn't it?
yeah, well we know his name, Rico.
Crockett and Tubbs, yeah.
What was his real name? You can't remember that, can you?
William something, was it?
Do you remember what car they had?
Yeah, Ferrari.
Yeah, what?
Ferrari Daytona.
Yeah, it was a Daytona, yeah.
Right, okay. What colour was it?
White.
How many episodes did they make?
112.
Did they?
112 episodes.
How do you know that then?
I looked it up the other night. Philip Michael Thomas.
Philip Michael Thomas.
There, look.
Let's have a look at him. He was fucking cool, wasn't he?
Yeah. It's not on my favourite pictures.
Oh, right.
I don't stalk him, mate.
But you got a picture of him on your phone.
I've got one on the wall.
Oh.
Right, so that's the old top fairing and screen. So now we've got this one, and we've got the double bubble screen on it. So I'm going to put that on there. That's the double bubble screen on there. Look.
I use this.
That's what Paul wears when he's walking the streets at night.
Like that?
Sarong. So can I take this?
Look at that.
Sweet.
That's nice.
That's the top.
He's put all the light bits in, isn't he? All them black light bits. Look. Rear seat unit on. Top fairing. Double bubble screen on. Put the mirror blanks on. Look at that.
It's very blick.
It's black. Just got to get the tank on.
Yeah, I could do with an hand rather than someone looking at me.
These are all the bits.
Huh?
These are all the bits that you need. Tank being lowered on.
Don't mean they're not there in this. I've never fitted a set of track fairings that actually fit and the screw holes line up and stuff. That is pretty impressive. There you go.
I found a picture of Matt.
Of me?
Look.
It must be a fucking... Yay!
That's it.
Careful, my bike, bro.
This is it. Let's have its first. Let's have the first look.
There she is. She needs a bit of clean up, of course.
Look at that. David Essex. There he is.
Ain't seen me ride yet, be more like Joey Essex.
Yeah. So we got the guard on there. Double bubble screen. Front brake, rear brake. Filler cap. Rear sets and the bodywork. So Matt's going to just take this out and check that it's alright, and then we'll load it in the van, and the next video will be at the track. How is it?
Yeah, good mate.
Fun brake alright?
Lovely. Through the box, lovely.
Do you want a bag?
I'll start smoking, yeah, just
Alright.
for a laugh.
Let's
Right,
get it in.
ready, Mark?
Yeah, let's get this in.
Come on, it's
Here it
raining.
is, here it is. Stickers.
Of course,
are
this
on.
was great timing, really, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We waited until it rained.
Come on, stop moaning.
All right.
Are you fucking pushing? or
Yeah,
what?
you've got the
pushing.
brake on, you cock.
No, I haven't.
Push it then.
What's the news?
I'm going Donington this week.
Donington, you're going Wednesday and Thursday
Wednesday. Oh yeah, going to stay there.
in a camper.
In a camper, yeah. Last year we was in a hotel.
Wow.
Things got rough this year in a camper.
Yeah.
I can't wait for next year. We'll be in a tent. Yeah, I don't think I've got a bed though. I think I'm on the floor. What's that in there?
No, just put it in, it don't matter.
It's a bit of metal or something. Oh, it's only the foil. I'll put it back in there.
I found something in the yoghurt once I was eating
Yeah? What did you find?
at the other shop. A spring onion.
In the yoghurt?
Yeah. And what I did was I phoned up on the back of the packet. It had a complaints number.
Yeah.
You know, I phoned it up. You know what they did? They laughed.
What,
I
when
could
you-
hear them laughing.
They probably was the ones who put the spring onion in it.
Yeah.
So what did they do?
They sent me another yoghurt.
What are you having at that
That's what
time?
they sent.
A sausage.
It's unbelievable, isn't it?
Funny
No
enough.
apology, just another yoghurt.
Funny enough, when Snickers were marathons, and I was a young boy,
Yeah.
I'd be into a Snickers, went like that, but hanging out of the Snickers was a fly.
Oh,
And they sent me a box of them.
a box of flies.
Yeah. No, a box of fucking a box of marathons.
You got a better result than me.
Yeah, but to be honest, I didn't want to eat one after that.
No.
It put me off them.
I'm not going to eat one now. You put me right off.
That was
Look at
fucking
every
25 years ago.
mouthful. Yeah, watch out, look.
Easy. That was 25 years ago.
He can be really stealthy for a man of that size. It's remarkable, isn't it?
I say 25 years ago. I can't remember how old I am. I'd say 35 years ago.
Well, you were one at the time.
No, I'm fucking 46, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
No, you don't look it.
Don't I?
No.
I feel it some days.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what other things have you found in food? Anything?
Yeah, I found a bit of metal in a Peter's pie once.
Peter's pies or pucker pies?
It was a Peter's pie.
I'd never heard of them. Well, didn't you find a bit of metal inside this morning?
I did.
What was that in?
That was in the coffee.
You're,
It's
you're,
not a
you're
good ex-
almost like a,
Metal Mickey.
no, a metal detector.
It's not a good experience. It really ruins the whole thing,
You're in
doesn't
the
it?
act.
Oh, I know.
What?
Look, let's see that.
Might as well just leave them here for you, mightn't I?
I don't
Yeah.
know if we can carry all of them, can we?
You got it, or do you want me to take it in there?
We can probably do it,
We
can't we?
could maybe
Actually,
manage.
I'll just take it because I need to ask you guys a question anyway.
Oh, we better
Right,
go
we're
then.
ready for questioning.
We're going to get
I
questions.
was almost excited.
What's she say?
Don't get excited. But many girls have said that to me.